Okay, welcome back to part 3. Had a little trial and error back in part 2. It's bound to
Te-
happen.
technical
Josh's fault.
difficulties. My fault? It just cut out.
All Josh's fault.
Blame Skype. Now I'm searching for that kid.
Well, with all honesty, you cannot expect perfection in the first
Oh, what the
video.
hell? Who is this guy? Who is that chick?
Oh, you met two clowns?
Yeah?
Well, they look like clowns. I don't think they're supposed to be, but they look
Oh,
like...
oh.
You're so far ahead, well, 5 minutes, I'd say,
Sorry.
ahead of me. So everybody's kind of like finding out what's happening before they've even seen it.
Damn it. Sorry, it's like...
Well done, Joshy.
Oh, that?
You spoiler person.
They played Golden Sun or probably heard of it or something. I don't know. They'll see what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Sorry for the spoilers. Darth is Luke's father. Bruce Willis is a ghost.
Alan Wake dies.
That was too soon. Okay, here we go. What am I doing?
Right, okay. Right, so basically what's going on is the village is under attack by a boulder.
Evil boulder!
And we're just trying to save Felix from drowning while trying to get everybody to safety at the same time.
Oh,
And Josh, he's giving away spoilers.
I mean, cutscene. You were eavesdropping on us just now, weren't you? No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. What do I say? I'm just gonna go with a big fat no.
And here comes the single boulder. And they all try to run in slow motion. No.
Oh. You must forget everything you heard. What? Oh no! Mystery women? Oh, woman. Okay, mystery man. Okay, I was gonna say, but I thought that was a dude. I'm gonna be sexist and attack the chick first.
And Felix is gone.
Yeah. Poof.
And so is my dad.
Everything's gone. Whoa! Holy shiznit! Jesus, felt like I just got attacked by Sephiroth.
Sephiroth is amazing. Right, okay, we'll go back.
I died. That's your fault. You said I was gonna die.
Oh no, you're supposed to.
I know that. But still, I died.
Oh, I keep on rolling.
Ooh, cutscene. Sexy. Golden Sun. 2001. Wow.
We should slow do the second one once we finish the first one, Josh.
3 years later. Yeah, 3 years
Yeah,
later.
I'd say like the woman looks more like a clown from afar, but not till you see up close to her face. If you know what I mean. It's like those two jesters out of Fair Fantasy 9.
Yay! They're fixing up the village. Yeah, I've seen a picture of that dude who looks like a chick, but it's a dude.
Oh, Kefka out of Fair Fantasy 6 is he out of?
I don't know.
I have no idea. I'm waiting on getting the 6th one in. You know, but I know there's a Kefka out of Fair Fantasy and he's very clown looking.
Is Felix really dead?
Yeah, Felix is gone.
Oh. He was a very insignificant part of the storyline, but I wanted him to live. Okay?
Hmm?
Okay. Oh god. Dude just did a Kamehameha.
That's the, I think it's Psych Energy or something it's called.
I don't know. big hand energy. Call that a big hand, and the hand was just pushing it. It's like the hand out of Super Smash Bros.
Yeah.
Master Hand, I think it was called. Say, what exactly happened to you two? Wait, what? What makes you... What? Why did she suddenly ask... Oh, do you know what? I don't want to spoil it.
Oh no, I've got you that bit.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. I
No,
appreciate it.
that's what I got. I played it before I went to do this, so I kind of had an idea
Oh,
of the game, if it was going to be a good one or not. And I got to basically that bit that you're at before I stopped playing it. So after that, it's just going to be a complete walkthrough, basically.
mm,
Okay, what time did we start at? About 1:30, yeah?
yeah,
Then we've
I
got
think.
another 4 minutes. No, 3 minutes before we need to stop. So I'll probably stop it after this 3 years later. Cutscene.
Okay.
And then we'll do another recording. Get some recordings done in the night. 3 years later.
Wow. Just had like 4 seconds of constant head nodding and just shaking. Stop doing it! Oh, Trouble in Paradise. She's upset with him. I don't want to talk about it.
I think she has a little thing for him.
Come on. Huh? Kai's waiting for us. She is mad.
Yep. But all women are. Let's just face it.
I'm not going to comment on that. It's probably a trick question. It's a trap. She's being such a bitch.
I love the wee sad faces that appear above their head.
So do I. It's kind of cute.
Brilliant. Oh, it's amazing.
He's using his telekinetic abilities to fix the haystack roof. Lazy bastard. It's hay.
He's practicing his energy.
Practice like something else. Come on, it's hay. It's just lazy. Why is she standing on the roof? I'd love to see her just fall for it.
Wait till you see what happens. Wait till you see what Garrett does.
Can't wait. Come on. Do you still think about the accident? No, shut up, bitch. Bringing it up. Leave me alone.
Oh, she's getting angry. Oh, she's well pissed off. Why are lassies always like that? And it always seems to be the ones that have the feelings for you.
Oh my god.
He looks like he's singing right now because his mouth is like, oh.
We already know what happened. Please stop giving us a memory refresh. I want to go kill some monsters. You're almost 17. Wow. 16.
Right, I've
Wait.
got to stop this now.
He was... Wait. He was 13?
4?
He was 13 in the accident.